let's add one twist to the present value of lump sum. We're going to withdraw, so it's going to be present value of annuity. We're going to withdraw $200 every year starting in year 1, and in year 3 we take out the $200 plus the $1,000. So how do I find the amount I need in the account today? Individual steps, because I want to put this in a for and x loop. I don't want to use a formula. I want to do the for and x loop just so you learn how to do that. So the amount of money I need in the account in year 2 in order to take out this amount in year 3 is the 1,000 plus the 200 divided by 1.10 to the first, which is equal to $1,090.91. Right? So if I have this amount of money in the account at year 2, I can take out those two amounts in year 3. Alright, so if I'm in year 1, I need to have the present value of the $1,090.91 in order to be able to take out these amounts of money, plus I need to have the present value of the $200 in order to take that out. So in other words, I'm taking the present value of this amount and the present value of that amount. So take those two numbers, divide by 1.1, and that's going to be 1173.55. So today I need to have the present value of the 1173.55 plus the present value of this 200. Divide that by 1.10, and that's equal to 1248.69. So I want to go back through this and make sure you're getting exactly what's going on here. Take the 1248.69, let it grow at 10%. For 1 year I can take out $200 and I'll have 1173 left over. Let that grow at 10% for a year, take out $200, I'll have the 1,090 left over. Let that grow at 10% for 1 year, and I'll have the $1,200 that I need to take out. So let's write the program to do that. Again, I'm going to have my inputs first, wherever those happen to be, and let's just say the input CW for current wealth is 1,000, whatever you want to call that. And then we're going to have the term payment because we're making some type of payment. I might use the abbreviation PAYT and make that $200. I can't use PMT because that's a function in Excel. So I'm going to do my for and x loop. So for I equals 1 to 3, I do something inside the loop, and then next I, and then my output. So I'm going to do this calculation inside this loop 3 times. So what's that calculation look like? Well, the current wealth is equal to, what did I have here? It's going to be the 1,000 plus 200, which is the CW plus the payment divided by 1.1. Now let's see if that works. So you really, when you're going through this, you have to really think about exactly step by step what needs to be done. So I is equal to 1, CW is equal to, and remember this is CW shall be equal to, well, CW is currently 1,000 plus the payment of 200 divided by 1.10. That's exactly what we did right here, and so that's equal to 1,090.91. I is equal to 2, so we do next I, now I is equal to 2, we come back here, do this again. CW shall be equal to what CW currently is, which was 1,090.91 plus the payment of 200 divided by 1.10, which is exactly what we did right here. So this is equal to 1173.55. Now next I is equal to 3, we'll go up here, that still works. I is equal to 3. CW is equal to what it currently is, the 1173.55 plus the payment of 200, which is exactly what we did right here, divided by 1.10, which is equal to 1248.69. Now see, I want you to notice you can't just sit there and say, well, that's the formula. You have to go through each step till you see what the formula is. So now let's take this and see if you can put that into VBA and make it work, and that'll be the next video.